Best advice I can give you is when you get to these auctions and you're a dealer or become a dealer or just the public, talk to everybody at the auction, man. If they work at the auction, if they're other dealers, best thing to do is just build relationships with everybody and be nice to everybody. Everybody's not going to talk to you and want to communicate with you, but communicate with as many people as you can. Be nice to the staff that works there. Be nice to all the workers, man. Doing that will help you so much in the long run because it didn't help me a lot, from the start to now because like it's other dealers that I'm good with. So if I'm bidding on a car, they won't bid on the car. So out of respect for each other, all the people at the auction, if the car, they'll let me know what's going on with the car. Ladies up front, they're always very nice to me. Sometimes it makes me some cookies, snacks, and stuff like that. So best thing I can say is just be nice to everybody. Be generous. Build rapport with each and everybody you try to come in contact with. That's all I can say. That's some of the best advice I can give you. Let's run to the auction. Let's get it. Get y'all everything y'all need. Y'all want to see. Let's go.
If you want to get ahead, sometimes you gotta go without. You feel me? You have to make a lot of sacrifices for this shit, man. You know what I'm saying?
Up everybody, JJ, we back here at the auction here in El Reno. So it's about 30-40 minutes away from the city. I'm riding passenger because I'm still lazy, still haven't got my car fixed, so still being lazy. So and then when you're dealing with cars, don't like to drive anyway. I don't like driving, so I'd rather ride. Yeah, we here at El Reno Auto Auction in El Reno, Oklahoma. Out here, always gonna come here every Friday, loyal to this auction, man. This is when I first got in the game. This is the first auction I signed up to and where I was buying all my cars from to begin with, so I stay loyal to them. And then they treat you good, they take care of you. This is a dealer and a public auction, so you're public. Like if you're public, it's $300 to enter, and you get your $300 back if you don't buy anything. But if you buy anything, that $300 that you enter with, it goes towards the purchase of the car. They got good buyer fees, so the fees are not expensive. And one thing I like about them, for the dealers, they take care of their dealers. They offer, if you buy a car, they offer to deliver it to your lot for free. So you can't beat that benefit. Like I said, it's 30-40 minutes just from my house, so my lot's probably about 40-45 minutes away, so I can buy as many cars as I want, and then they'll deliver them to my shop for free. So you can't beat that. Can't beat that. They take really good care of me. But yeah, you see here at El Reno Auto Auction, getting the cars up and started. Yeah, let's get in here and see what they got. Get y'all some footage. Let's get it. Yeah, still up. Nice little Corvette. What's going on with you, man? Oh, not much. Trying to learning as I go.
There's always a learning curve.
Yeah, always a learning curve. Let them know.
Always a learning curve.
This guy right here own a restaurant, and he got the car lot with the restaurant. Trying to get like him one of these days.
Yeah. Can't spend all my money in one spot.
Nah, you can't. Like, you hear that? You can't spend all your money in one spot. Let's get to it.
35, $3,000 hitting there with a good 2021. $1,000 bill now, look at the line now, 12, 13, 14, 15, now half, now $1,600. Got it now half, 16 and a half here, bill hitting at 50, 16, 50, got it now 17, now 50, 18 and a half, now 50, 18 and a half, now 19, now half, 19 and a half, now 2,000, now 50, now 121, 1 and a half, 22, now half, now 3, now 50, 24, now 50, now 5, now 50, $2,600, 25 and a half, 6, all in done, sold it, 25.50.
$25.50 for that truck. What y'all think? $25.50 for that old truck. It seems like an old good truck. Could use a paint job, but I mean, if you're using it just for like specifically for work purposes, then don't worry about the paint job.
Oh, here's a 13 model. There we go. We're going to get Gordon down there.
Yeah, y'all some footage. Good amount of cars out here this week. You know, last week they were a little light, so you know people out here must be selling. So you know, we got some cars out here. Cars on cars on cars on cars on. How's it going? See, everybody know a dollar in the dream, you know. They treat me well. You know, I like to communicate with everybody, you know. Doing my thing. Out here. Mini Coopes, everything. Look at that. We got Lucky in the building, man. We got Luck in the building, man. Luck, you want to say something to the people, man?
Man, y'all want to know how to make some money? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, man.
Yeah, if y'all haven't already, go subscribe to Lucky's Wheels and Deals, man. You know, that's where it's at.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals.
Lucky finally came out here to the auction, man. You know, Lucky big time, man. He don't like coming.
I'm too good for this.
You know, he like to go to Copart and stuff. I can't deal with Copart. Fees are too high, you know.
$1,000, man.
Yeah,
You gotta pay to play.
Yeah, Copart, you spend $4,000 for a car. They tack on $1,000 worth of fees. That's just crazy to me. I can't do it. You know, I can pay a couple $100 in fees, not no thousands. You know, we leave that to Lucky.
Hey, but
man.
what y'all do? All y'all have to do is if y'all trying to do that, just factor in that a part of the car. If you're willing to pay $5 grand for a car, go ahead and spend $4, and then just know that the fee. If you don't think about it as the fee, doing that shit, just add it all together, shit, before you start bidding and all that shit. They give you a chart of all the fees of the price bracket too. So if y'all guys study that and know what y'all usually spend, you can just add that part of the car, and then you won't have no problem with the fees. But shit, when you buy something and then you be like, damn, I didn't know that shit, that's what throws you off when you don't inspect it.
And when you go to Copart, make sure you buy newer cars. Don't go there trying to buy no older cars, because older car plus the fees ain't gonna be worth it. Buy something newer.
And you gotta fix this shit.
You buy something newer that you fix it and it still got value, so you can still make some money. But yeah, you heard it right here from Lucky, man. Giving you all the game. Go to his channel, drop a like.
That's it right here.
Go get y'all some merch if y'all need some. He need to bring me some more merch so I need to make my own merch. But yeah,
I need to start letting you wear my merch before you start having your merch.
Yeah, give me some more shirts, man. I'll rock it, man. You know, gotta support.
Hell yeah.
See what else we got out here, man. They got anything good out here? Look.
I don't know. I can start walking right now.
So Wally's like, he got a good amount of cars. I need to hop in line before he run out. Got a good amount out here.
All of them.
Cars everywhere. Good sale this week. Good sale going on, you know. So if you're here locally in Oklahoma, and even if you don't own a car, if you public just want to start flipping cars, get your 300 together, get your 300 to enter, but I'll say get you about $2,000. You know, get you about $2,000, pay you $300 to enter, buy you a nice car, flip it, make you some money, and keep flipping and keep flipping. But yeah, let's get some more footage for you guys, and you know, let you guys know. I'm gonna try to talk to some of these other dealers here and let y'all know about their experience. So we're gonna get y'all some more footage. Can't just end it like that. We gotta get you some more footage, more and more footage. It's a lot we need to know, and it's a lot that you need to know. And you know, every day I'm learning, and whatever I learn, I like to pass it on to you guys. So we're gonna keep learning, and we're gonna keep growing together. In this channel, and we're gonna be good. But yeah, let's see all this stuff. That's something I need a little RAV for little SUV, but it's probably gonna go for a lot. Toyotas, they kill it for the price of these Toyotas. But yeah, let's go. Get in line and get some bidding going on. All the plans right here, we're doing it for a while now. Yeah, we been at the auction, you know, it's hot. watch when we gonna sit down and have that lunch.
Hey, we're gonna come to Suave. I'll buy you dinner.
Okay, I'm gonna come.
Just give me a call ahead of time.
All right, I'm gonna give you a call. We're gonna sit down and we're gonna talk it out.
Just do it.
All right. Y'all see that? You know, you gotta network and connect with everybody. You know, he's been inviting me to his church. I just haven't got the time to get over there to him. But yeah, that's Terry. His name is Terry. But we're gonna go talk and sit down and have lunch. And then he gonna tell me more about the car business. He's been doing it for a while. But what I would suggest, like when you go to these car auctions, man, sit around and talk to everybody, man. Because you can learn something new from everybody. So, you know, always just touch bases, take a little information from everybody you talk to, try to incorporate it, and then it'll work good for you, you know. So go and sit down and have lunch with him one of these days, and I'll do a video with that, and you know, let y'all know all the game that he giving me. So yeah, let's go. You got the Zen Master of the car business. How long you been? Tell them how long you been doing this.
64 since 1964.
He been doing this since the Mustang. He been doing this since 1964, since the Mustang came out. Long time. That's the Zen Master.
Good years, I've had some Michelin.
Huh?
I've had some good years, I've had some Michelin.
That's Phil Jackson right there, man. That's the Zen Master of the car business, man. He's been doing this since 1964, since the Mustang dropped. He's been doing this since 1960. I'm gonna say that again, since 64, since the Mustang dropped. I'm gonna make some videos with him. He's been doing this for a while, and he teaches me a lot. So I'll go meet up with him one of these days, and I'll learn a lot from him. Auctioneer right there, man. You gotta make friends with everybody, man. But yeah, you know, let's get to it. But you know, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the love and support, that you guys been giving. Any questions, just drop them in the comments section below. And appreciate you guys. I'm out. See you guys.